QVC host Sandra Bennett knows all too much about. Take a listen.
We were living in a big city at the time, and my daughter was only 2 years old. And one day, it was the middle of winter, and I noticed that I wasn't feeling well, and she didn't seem to be feeling well. And we started to kind of just feel progressively worse as the day went on. And that night, I was getting ready to take a shower, and I heard this loud banging on the door, and it was the fire department. Apparently, our neighbor had come home and noticed that his carbon monoxide detector was going off. And so apparently, the glass blowing studio had a furnace that had malfunctioned, and so we had been, breathing this air all day. So ever since then, I know I will never live in a place again that doesn't have a carbon monoxide detector.
Because you cannot smell, you cannot see carbon monoxide in the air. That's why it's the silent killer. And what we're giving you is an amazing carbon monoxide alarm. In fact, not one, but two of them that is really easy to use, that you can set on a table, you can mount on a wall, but comes with a 10-year battery. So really, once you set this up, for 10 years your family is protected. The set of two normally would cost $62. Tonight we have it at a feature price of under $50, so it's a $12 savings. Feature prices will not last forever. That will go back up. And we have 5 easy payments as well. Amy D'Angelo is here. She is a home improvement specialist, but more importantly, she's a mom.
Yes. Who
knows all you want to do when you become a mom, no matter what age your kids are, is you want to protect them. And you try to protect them. You make them put on the seatbelt when they get in the car. You make them wear the helmet when they're riding the bike or on the skateboard. Those are tangible things you can see that you're protecting.
Right.
But we have to think about what not is visually there, but is lurking and can ultimately hurt us real bad.
Correct. And that's even my daughter's away at college, and I sent them with them. So I know that no matter where my children are, they're protected. But as you said, carbon monoxide is colorless, it is tasteless, and it is odorless. So unless you have a unit like this in your home, you won't know it's there because your house is going to look the same. But it's so simple to use. You're going to get it home, you're going to pull the tab, and then you're just going to test your unit. And you're going to hear 4 loud beeps, and hopefully your home is 000, no carbon monoxide. And there's a pause, and then there's 4 more loud beeps. After that, your screen will go blank. It is not broken. It is just like it just did. It's in sleep mode, just like your iPhone, just like your computer. It is still working for you behind the scenes. So then you're just going to take it and you're going to place it anywhere around your home. It is freestanding. It does come with a mounting kit, and there's a little hole on the back, so if you want to put it up on your wall, you can. But carbon monoxide comes from the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. And those fossil fuels are the oil, the natural gas, the home heating oil, the propane, the wood. And they're the things that are the energy sources for everyday items in your home, like your portable heaters, your chimneys, your automobile, and it could be your neighbor's automobile idling in an attached garage.
I didn't think about that.
Right, which you're not aware of. A clothing dryer, a range, a vent, your fireplace, your grill, of course your generator. Please, it's that time of year. Make sure your generators are not in your garage, not under an open window, not near your home, and you've read the instructions and kept them in the right place. And you want to make sure that your furnace, your water heater, everything there is in your home, and they just have to malfunction one time. So we recommend that you put one on each and every level of your home and one inside each and every bedroom, because if you sleep with the door closed, or my dad's losing his hearing and he's always saying to me, what did you say? You want to make sure you can hear it. It's a tool, and if you cannot hear it, it's not effective. So that's why we recommend one inside each and every bedroom. And all it takes, as I said, is one of those items to malfunction in your home one time to have a carbon monoxide related incident.
I didn't even think of the water furnace. My goodness. And we give you a set of 2. So you have either 2 gifts. Maybe you give one to your in-laws and one to your parents, or one for your upstairs, one for your downstairs. You're good to go. This does work on, I believe, 2 AA batteries.
It's a built-in battery. You never have to
you don't even have to buy batteries.
Nothing. You have to do nothing for 10 years. And it's funny, on the side, there's a little sticker that you can write the date on 10 years from now. And if you forget, don't worry. It does have a different chirp than the one you heard before, letting you know that it is done its job and then it's ready for you. I'm going to sound it one more time so you can hear it. And this is what it would look like. This has been modified for me. This is what it looks like if there's a readout in your home. If you do ever hear this, and I hope you never do, but if you do, please grab your loved ones, grab your pets, and just run out, call emergency services, and let them deal with it, because it is a gas, and like I said, you won't know it's there. It travels through sheetrock, it'll get into your heating ducts, it'll travel through your systems. So you need to just, if you hear it, get out of your home as quickly as possible.
We have it for you again at a $12 savings. You get 2, not 1. And again, once you set this up with that 10-year battery, that is peace of mind. It's a must for any homeowner, but especially if you live in connected homes, in row homes, if you live in apartments, because you're not necessarily knowing what's going on in anyone else's home. You need to stay protected, and again, it's just peace of mind. It's a smart investment, and I love the design on this, Amy. Just to be a girl right now, because I remember like this, the carbon monoxide, big like rectangles that looked out of place. This is small. It's like 4 inches high.
You don't even know it's there.
Love it, Amy. Thank you for bringing it by.
Thank you.
Okay, awesome. All right, so we are down. Is this our final item? Oh my goodness, this night is flying by. Well, that's what happens on Fridays when the